your boy Dorothy Awilo. You can check me on the social media platform. Tap Dorothy Awilo, like, comment, share, follow, subscribe. Remember, when préparation meets opportunité, le résultat will be successful. Quand l'opportunité raconte la préparation, le résultat donne toujours le succès. Today, we want to do simple game. You can see there's money here, and some mineral, so on here, some money, some mineral. And these two giant guys, if this person can draw this man to this place, to pick all this money and mineral and you own. And this white man, who they call the headdress, if he can draw this giant man to this place, go pick all this money and drink the mineral. That's the game. Are you guys ready? Now they watch you. Now not ready? Okay. Oh, now you be Chinese. Okay, count 1 to 3. Action with beginning. Let me see. Is it me? You come here, small. Come here, small. Come here, small. Come here. No. Come. No worry. Come. This is strong, ladies. This is not. It's wrong. This is wrong.
That's what we type. This place now don't pop back out.
Camera. Huh? No. Men, drop. You dress from there. Yeah. 1, 2, action! Are we ready? Okay, 1, 2, action! No, leave it now, leave it. Yes, now, yeah, continue. Draw. Wait. What did this guy do? Is strong. What did he eat? Very strong. The guy is strong like.
Pass me that 100. Come on. I love you back you. This guy. I bet I use this guy. I want laugh. Come.
Okay. Another set. Oh yeah, another set. This is another set of people. They want to start to. Normal. Let's see the winner. Count to 1 to 3. The action begin. 1, 2, action! Oh yeah! One, 2, action! Hey! My God, they want the grass go to step up. You guys don't see the winner of it? Come put it in the comment section, I beg. I don't tell you.